Hello, I'm Jan from Technical Support, and today I will show you how to synchronize multiple AdvaPIX devices together. First of all, please refer to our AdvaPIX TimePIX 3 synchronization guide and make sure that your devices are of those indicated here in the header. Otherwise, you might cause permanent damage to your device. You will need the synchronization cable to connect the devices together. When you open PIXet, you can split the window using this icon here in the top right corner. Now you can manage your two devices separately. You can find out whether the device is slave or master in more detector settings, and there is a is master line. This device is a master, so we will set it up accordingly. We need to take trigger ready, and trigger setting should be 0. In the measurement settings, this device will be started by hardware trigger. The other device, the slave, is indicated in the More Detector Settings tab as a slave, so it is not a master. The trigger setting should be 3, and trigger ready should be set to yes. Again, we need to set the trigger settings to started by hardware trigger. And now, when you start a measurement on either of those devices, it waits for the other one, and when the second one is started, they both collected data as one device, synchronized.
AdvaCam, imaging the unseen.